In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Mailchimp signup form into your Squarespace website. If you're looking to expand your email marketing efforts and simplify how visitors can subscribe to your newsletters, this guide is designed just for you. We're going to walk through each step to make the process as straightforward as possible. The very first thing you'll want to do is log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Audience tab. It's here where you'll manage everything related to your subscribers. Under the Audience tab, you'll find an option labeled Sign Up Forms. Click on that and then choose Embedded Forms. This section is where the magic happens, as it allows you to customize the form that will eventually appear on your website. Make sure to spend some time here tweaking the form to match the design and style of your site. Mailchimp offers a range of customization options to help the form align with the aesthetic of your brand. You can alter everything from the form fields to the button styles. Once you're satisfied with the way your form looks, it's time to move on to the next stage, copying the HTML code. Mailchimp generates this for you beneath the customization options. Carefully highlight the code and copy it to your clipboard. Next, let's shift over to your Squarespace account. Log in and navigate to the specific page where you want the sign-up form to appear. Whether it's a dedicated subscription page or your home page, the choice is yours based on your strategy and user experience goals. Once you're on the desired page, you will need to add what's called a code block. Squarespace makes it relatively easy to incorporate custom elements like this by using their block system. Within the Squarespace editor, add a new block on your page of choice and select the code option. This is where you will paste the HTML code you previously copied from Mailchimp. Once you paste the code, you may want to take a moment to ensure everything looks correct. Squarespace provides a preview tool, so check that your form appears as expected and aligns well with other elements on the page. Finally, you'll want to save your changes. After saving, preview your site to double check that the form is displaying correctly and functioning as it should. It's crucial that the form not only looks good but is also operational, as this will be the gateway for your visitors to become subscribers. And there you have it. We've successfully integrated a Mailchimp sign-up form into your Squarespace site. This addition should help boost your email list and facilitate better engagement with your audience. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.